The fifth content will be OTN Maintenance Signal and Trail Layer. So as we can see, they are dividing into two categories, which is the electrical layer and optical layer. Optical layer, they have three parts, which is the OTS, the OMS, and also the OCH. So we need to know what is the layer of this between the OTN boundaries over there and to here. So take a look for the first byte, which is the section monitoring, which is this is the following layer. Following for the rest, which is the path monitoring. This is the layer of path monitoring. And for the tandem connection monitoring and tandem connection monitoring too. OTN layer network trail. So in this part also we'll see what is the layer that involved. The first one will be the OTS, optical transmission section, following the OMS, optical multiplexer section, and the rest here will be following the OCH trail and the rest. Don't forget for the OSC layer, which is the bottom of this between OA to OA. So the next one will be the maintenance and management signal. In this particular below here, so they will show you the management function, starting with the alignment until the signal quality. According to here, they will have a network layers which can support whether yes or no. The maintenance signal, FDI. FDI stands for forward defect indications. This byte actually is involved for the signal when they send to the downstream, and it indicates when the upstream defect has been detected. In this part also, you will see, you will be announced the another bytes, which is AIS, alarm indication signal. So this byte, these two bytes have a similar signal, whereby the AIS is used for the digital domain, meanwhile for the FDI used for the optical domain. Maintenance signal, which is the AIS, alarm indication signal. This alarm is similar with the FDI. It's just that AIS is detected in the digital domain. So in here, what you can see, the function is almost similar with the FDI, and usually for the interruption, it always happens at the upstream signal. So the next one will be the AIS, whereby it is specified at all 1, and it is involved for the path monitoring and tandem connection monitoring, whereby the STAT, S-T-A-T. And the next byte will be the BDI, backward defect indications. So backward defect indication is the opposite of the FDI. So as you can see here, it is monitored for the OTS and also the OMS layer. So in this part also you will see, they will have allowed of single end supervision of the trail. The maintenance signal is for OCI, open connection indications. So in this part also you will see the signal sent downstream, whereby the indication at the upstream signal is not connected to the trail source. So in here also they will have something that we call the repeating of 0110, 0110 in the default patterns. So in this part also you will see such as another bytes, which is LCK, which is lock. In this part also you will see it's the same that we send the downstream indication, whereby the upstream is locked and there's no signal can be passed through there. So as usual, they will have a state which is 101. Incoming alignment error. So this is the byte that involved in the OTUK and ODUK level. So this byte also, they will know what is the problem of your frames. So there's another one, we call it BIAE, for the backward incoming alignment error. So if you have a problem with your frames, so probably this alarm will occur. Thanks for watching.